die casting aluminum body for indoor and outdoor. A 400-watt RGBAL 5-in-1 full-color LED lamp. Adjustable color temperature from 2700K to 12,000K. This model offers everything should come to expect, including auto zoom from 15 degree to 30 degree and auto focus, smooth shutter cuts by DMX, electronic strobe, 16-bit dimming and selectable dimming curve modes, PWM from 500 Hz to 25,000 Hz for matching any camera type, also with RDM control option. What's more, it is a perfect solution for any time you want to do outdoor applications, such as amphitheaters in the summertime or any events in the park.